Hi everyone, this is a quick video of how to sign in or join Tinkercad. So what you do is you hit join now. You don't want to do any of this because I know you're in school, but you're not doing it with a school, you're doing it on your own. So you're going to create a personal account and then you sign in with Google. And it's a bit difficult for me because I've already signed in, so it just goes straight to my page. But if it's for you, they're going to ask you to put in some personal details, and what you have to do is make yourself 14 years or older, and they're going to ask you to put in your date of birth. So at the moment it's 2020. Whoops, 2020. Okay, so if we go that minus 14, okay, you're going to have to make yourself born in 2006 or 2005 to be safe. And then you don't need special permissions from your parents to use this site. And that's what you do.